You still hear that voice, the voice of someone who is supposed to love you. You're too sensitive. Stop being so dramatic. Who do you think you are? Here's what nobody ever told you. That voice is not yours. It was installed in you by the people who were supposed to protect you. 1. The damage nobody could see. We talk about trauma from strangers, from bad relationships, from public failures, but nobody talks about the kind that comes wrapped in birthday dinners and family vacations. When a stranger humiliates you, your brain labels them the enemy, but when family does it, your brain has nowhere safe to put the pain. So it turns inward. It becomes your identity. I am not enough. I am too much. They called it tough love. They called it honesty. Psychologists call it emotional invalidation. Love that leaves wounds is not love. It is damaged with a good excuse. 2. What it does to you as an adult. Fast forward 20 years. You over-explain yourself in every conversation. You shrink in rooms where you deserve to take up space. You apologize before you even say anything wrong. You self-sabotage every time success gets close because something deep down says you don't deserve it. Psychologists call this a shame-based identity, like a virus installed in childhood, running silently, corrupting every decision. Research shows emotional humiliation from a caregiver activates the same neural pathways as physical pain. Same neural pathways. You didn't fail at life. You were running damaged software that someone else installed without your permission. 3. The voice they left inside you. Family humiliation installs a voice that sounds exactly like yours but runs their script. It shows up when you try to speak up, when you apply for the job you actually want, when you try to believe someone loves you. Psychologists call this internalized shame. Every time they laughed at you, you learned to laugh at yourself first, so they couldn't hurt you anymore. That was genius back then. Right now, it is a prison. 4. The hardest truth you will ever hear. I need to say something most people won't say to you. You are not crazy. You are not dramatic. You are not too sensitive. What happened to you was real. They may never admit it. They may call you too sensitive until their last breath, and you still have to heal. Not for them, for the version of you that deserved better and never once heard it. Healing does not require their apology. It requires your decision. 5. How you take your voice back. The healing does not look like a movie. No confrontation, no revenge, no dramatic moment. It is quiet, deliberate, powerful. It is the first time you disagree and don't immediately apologize for it. It is catching their voice mid-sentence and choosing not to finish it. It is setting a boundary without explaining yourself. You are not their opinion of you. You never were. And the most powerful thing you will ever do is live in a way that proves it. If this hit you, subscribe. Next video, why people from toxic families always attract emotionally unavailable partners. Don't miss it.